Hello, here's a quick video to help you start your PeelAway journey. For first-time use, we recommend the PeelAway Tester Pack. It includes everything you need to decide which PeelAway product is right for your project. As a general rule, PeelAway No.1 works best on older, thicker paint layers which may contain lead. PeelAway 7 is better suited to more modern oil and water-based paints. We'll start by coating a small test section of this old door with PeelAway 1. Both products can be applied using the supplied spatula or a brush. This is strong stuff, so make sure you protect surrounding areas that you don't want damaged and wear gloves and old clothing. Cut a piece of the correct sheeting and cover the test area, pressing out any air bubbles. Next, we'll apply PeelAway 7. You'll notice it's thicker in consistency and better suited to spatula application. Again, cut a piece of the correct sheeting and cover the area as before. This is what it looked like after 3 hours. Both are still quite wet and they haven't quite finished doing the job. However, after leaving it for 24 hours, the results are much more satisfying. The old paint adheres to the sheet, allowing it to be easily scraped away. In part 2, we'll reveal whether we chose PeelAway 1 or 7 for the rest of the door, and of course show you the final result. For further help and advice, our paint and wood care experts are at the end of the phone on 01303 477 555.